Yeah, good morning, children. See, last class we discussed about representation of rational numbers on the number line. So, in this class, we will be learning about finding a rational number between the given two rational numbers. See, children, if you are observing, we can write a definite number of the numbers between the two natural numbers. So, let us take an example. So, the natural numbers between 5 and 10 is 6, 7, 8, 9. Like the whole numbers between 11 and 15 is 12, 13, 14. Like the integers between -1 and -5 is -2, -3, -4. But we can write only a definite number of the numbers right between the natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. But in case of the rational numbers, we can write countless rational numbers between the given two rational numbers. So first of all, children, all of you open your class works. Whatever I have written on the board, you note down in your class works. First, write the definition, children. See, let a comma b are the two rational numbers. Let a comma b are two rational numbers then a plus b by 2 is a rational number. A plus b by 2 is a rational number such that a is less than a plus b by 2 is less than b. Now see, children, so this formula is also called the mean method. So this formula we can find only a rational number between the given two rational numbers. So let us take an example. Find the rational numbers between 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. So let us take an example. Find a rational number. A means only one rational number between. Find a rational number between 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. See, children, if you are observing here, A is equal to 1 by 2, then B is equal to 1 by 4. So the formula is A plus B by 2. It means 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. So 4 is the LCM. See, children, denominator 2 is the write the 2 as it is. So 2 in this for 2 times. So only 2 plus 4 only 1 time 1. So 3 by 8. So the rational number between 1 by 2 and 1 by 4 is 3 by 8. So this 3 by 8 is 1 by 4 is less than, next 3 by 8 is less than, then 1 by 2. See, children, if you are observing here, so 1 by 4 value is less than the 3 by 8, 3 by 8 value is less than the 1 by 2. See, children, now all of you open your exercise, page number 20, exercise 1.2. Already two sums was completed, children. Now third question, write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. So smaller 2 is a positive rational number. So we can write many rational numbers which are smaller than 2. Here we can consider negative rational numbers also. Now see, children, third question is homework for you. Now fourth one, find 10 rational numbers between -2 by 5 and 1 by 2. See, children, here only we can find a rational number between, we are using this formula. But by using this formula also, we can find more number of the rational numbers. But this become a lengthy method. Now another method will be there. Now copy down fourth question, children, all of you, exercise 1.2. Now exercise 1.2, page number 20. Now see, children, fourth question. So find 10 rational numbers between -2 by 5 and 1 by 2. Now see, children, the denominators are not equal. We should equate the denominators, means take the LCM of the denominators. So 5 2 times 2 2s are -4 and 2 5 times This is only 5. So it becomes minus 4 by 10 and 5 by 10. So we can write only 7 rational numbers between these two. So the question is asking 10, no. So n is equal to 10. So n plus 1 is equal to 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. So both numerator and denominator is multiplied by 11. If the question is asking 10 rational numbers means multiply both numerator and denominator 11. 11 is asking means 12. 2 is asking means 3. 4 is asking means 5. Now see children. So it becomes minus 4 by 5 into 11 by 11 and 5 by 10 into 11 by 11. Now see children, minus 44 by 110 and plus 55 by 110. So minus 44 is a negative integer, 55 is a positive integer. So we can write more than 10 rational numbers also. So the rational numbers are minus 43 by 110, minus 42 by 110, minus 41 by 110 and so on 52 by 110. See children, fifth one, find 5 rational numbers between. So fifth question, first one copy down children. See 5, 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. See children, if you are observing the denominators are not equal, we should equate the denominators. It means we should take the LCM of the denominators. So 3 5s are 15 is the LCM. 3 5 times 5 2s are 10 and 5 3 times 3 4s are 12. So 10 by 15 and 12 by 15. So between 10 and 12 we have only one rational number, that is 11 by 15. The question is asking 5 rational numbers, means n is equal to 5. So n plus 1 is equal to 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So both numerator and denominator is multiplied by 6 with both rational numbers. Now 60 by 15 6 are 90 and 12 6 are 72 by 15 6 are 90. So we can write more than 5 rational numbers also. So 61 by 90, 62 by 90, 63 by 90 and so on 71 by 90. Now say children, fifth question second bit is homework. Then write 5 rational numbers greater than minus 2. So greater than minus 2 we can write more rational numbers. Now see children, sixth one is also homework for you. Now seventh one. Now see seventh question, 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. Now see children, take the LCM, 5 4s are 20, 5 4 times 12 and 4 5 times 5 3s are 15. So it becomes 12 by 20 and 15 by 20. Now the question is asking 10 rational numbers, n is equal to 10. So n plus 1 is equal to 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. So it means 12 by 20 into 11 by 11 and 15 by 20 into 11 by 11. Now see children, 12 11s are 132 by 220 and 15 11s are 165 by 220. So we can write more than 10 rational numbers between the given two rational numbers, that is 133 by 220, 134 by 220, 135 by 220 and so on 164 by 220. See children, chapter 1 was completed now. Now next class I will start chapter 2, linear equation in one variable. Homework I will send through WhatsApp. Thank you children.